Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, here's my question, no? If you were to remove one of the three branches of the government, will it be the judicial, legislative, or executive branch, and why?
Come
Again?
again.
Again, okay. If you were to remove one of the three branches of the government, will it be the judicial, legislative, or executive branch, and why?
ML2Kai, your timer starts now.
The three branches of the government creates a structure that makes and form the government that we have now. It maintains peace and order. However, since the question is asking, I will be removing the executive. And what I'm going to do is to disseminate the power in every single islands. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao should have their own leader or what we call president. In that way, we can lessen corruption and we can make sure that all of the programs of our government will be disseminated to each and every single islands of the Philippines. We have seen a Manila that has been making this city great again. We deserve a Philippines that's great again. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ML.
Candidate number
10.
10, ML2Kai from Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Grabe na.
Since we were talking about your work a while back and you said that it's confidential,
Wala pa
I'll
ko
choose
sinabi.
this type of question. Would you rather have a horrible job but be able to retire comfortably in 10 years or have your dream job but have to work until the day you die?
Come again?
Okay. Would you rather have a horrible job but be able to retire comfortably in 10 years or have your dream job but have to work until the day you die?
That is actually the story of every breadwinner, especially the LGBT. We work tirelessly in our jobs so that our parents and our siblings will be able to retire comfortably and be able to go to school. I would rather have a horrible job so that I will be able to support the needs, the physiological needs of my family members. Because as they say, as an LGBT, we always stand forth to sacrifice our life for the needs of our families. Because at the end of each day, we are here in this world to love and give support to every single individual. So mas gugustuhin ko pa po ang mahirapan kesa makita ang aking pamilyang nahihirapan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Meron siyang
Hello, good morning.
Magandang umaga po.
Okay, so my question is connected with the mishap that happened to you a month ago. Would you rather control space or time? Again, would you rather control space or time?
I would rather control time because that way I will be able to go back on the things that I would like to change, specifically with the darkest times of my life. Maybe for some it may be bad to go back in time because it will distract the equilibrium of life. But the option is given to me and I will enthusiastically take that option and go back where the fire began and save my 3 fur babies. Good evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Katawaw.
Oh.
Katawaw.
Is not yet discovered. It's because I firmly believe that allowing people to live because they have that option is something that we wish to see from humanity. And I hope that people would always choose something that was beneficial for humanity. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate.
Because I'm a part of Love Yourself INC community, I will educate him that having an HIV is not transferable by
Boss, what's your question?
Good evening, Miss CDO. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I want you to know that you're so handsome.
Ako, baka biglang tumaas score mo, ha?
More pa. Baka tumaas
Do,
daw
do you
ang
love
score.
the Philippines?
Of course.
So if you love the Philippines, would you rather have a horribly corrupt government or no government at all?
Once again, sir.
One more time.
If
Take
you
it
love,
away.
if you love the Philippines, would you rather have a horribly corrupt government, isang napaka-corrupt na gobyerno, or no government at all? So walang gobyerno at all.
I would choose to do
I will choose to have no government at all. Because as Filipinos, we are leaders in our own ways. And corruption is one of the greatest obstacles to our nation's progress. It robs resources from the people, weakens trust in leadership, and depends inequality. In the Philippines today, how we have witnessed how Ghost Project continue to affect millions of lives. And I hope that we Filipinos, as the election is approaching, we should vote for a leader who can be with us so that no one will suffer the sadness of poverty. Good evening.
Thank you so much, IR.
Guerrero.
Good morning, attorney.
Good morning. And here's your question. Would you rather kill one innocent person or 5 people who committed minor crimes? I'll repeat. Would you rather kill one innocent person or 5 people who committed minor crimes?
I believe that killing is one of the most bad things in this world. And if I'm going to give a chance, I will kill those 5 people who create a minor like that. And I will kill that person because I wanted to make justice for those people who killed. So in that way, we can lessen those killers in this world and we can create a more humane, more. That's with all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. From number 7, John
Dir-
Daniel Laino.
Direk, okay lang po kayo, Direk?
Yeah.
Okay, sige po.
Ano na, malobat na. So,
Wag po kayo, kain po kayo po, ang nakakagising po yan. Opo.
hello, Miss RC.
Good morning.
So my question is, what is the similarity of a pupa to a human being? Again, my question is, what is the similarity of a pupa to a human being?
Definitely the metamorphosis. We cannot deny the fact, just like a pupa and turns into a butterfly, we as a human, we also excelled in different profession that we have. Just like me as a transgender teacher, we cannot deny the fact when the Spaniards colonized our country for 333 years, there is a stigma that transgender doesn't belong to a community wherein we are a teacher. Now, this is a metamorphosis for me. This is the time for me to show and legacy that no one can degrade us because just like a wings of butterfly, we can have a legacy and this is the start of that. Thank you, Bekshi of Manila.
Kung di tayo kikilos, kailan? Kung hindi ngayon,
Would you rather accidentally be responsible for the death of a child or accidentally be responsible for the deaths of 3 adults? Again, I am going to repeat the question for you, my little ladybug. Would you rather accidentally be responsible for the death of a child or accidentally be responsible for the deaths of 3 adults?
Okay na po yung timer. Your timer starts now.
Thank you very much. I'd rather choose to save or to pay the debt of a child simply because we are all adults. We know how to earn money. We know how to survive in this community. However, with those child, we can actually put that on education so they can learn how to earn money as well, how to be responsible, to have a financial literacy in her. And also, I would like just to introduce that if I will help that child, the child will also look at me as an inspiration that I help him and he will help someone in the near future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.